So today we're going to make our classic butterblock chocolate eclair. That's very popular here, and we offer this every day. I'm a classic girl. Welcome to Dig in Buffalo, brought to you by Milk for Health. So first we're going to do milk into the pot, whisk this up, and we're going to let it come to a boil. A classic pastry cream is just something really great to have in your back pocket in the pastry kitchen because it's super versatile. So you can use it for fillings, for mousses, as a base for loads of things. Once our milk is hot, we're going to temper it into the egg yolk mixture so that we kind of warm the egg yolks up before adding it to the pot. Ever since I was little, I was really attracted to the sort of technicality of putting a recipe together. It kind of stayed with me forever. I really wanted to be able to offer more than just croissants, so really sort of the idea of a whole French pastry shop. And it's just really fun to have this little space for our neighbors and community. It's good. And pop it into the cooler. We're going to proceed with filling our eclair. This is done with our pâte à choux that we make. And ideally the goal is that you have a nice hollow shell at the end and it becomes a vessel for delicious fillings. If you've made your pâte à choux correctly, then you've got a really nice open shell that you want to stuff with as much yumminess as possible. So we've got a beautiful chocolate glaze, very similar to a ganache. So we want just like a beautiful, perfect ribbon across the top of the eclair. And then we've got that nice crunchy bite from the bits on top for a well-rounded eclair. So when we break into it, it should look really nice and full, filled with lots of rich, delicious custard. And that is our butterblock classic eclair.